Welcome to C49HockeyBreaks, box break number 281, and today we've got yesterday's brand new release, and man, if I thought this stuff was overpriced last year, it is even more overpriced this year. But nonetheless, we do have one box. This will likely be the only box I'll do of this at the price that it is this year, but we've got a box of 2021 Upper Deck Black Diamond. Let's hope for a big diamond card in this box. We've got box number 555. Let's hope for a big diamond card, or this box is going to be quite the loss. Much along the lines of artifacts and everything else that has come out in 2021, it has gone up drastically compared to 1920. We've got quite a thick pack. We do have a black edged card in the second spot, so we may have a diamond card. I did watch like one case break of this yesterday, and that case did have like 5 or 6 diamond cards, so they do seem to be a lot more common this year, which it's nice to see, especially with the price raise. We start off with a base number 48 of 349, Clayton Keller. It is a great looking product. I will give Upper Deck credit that it is a great looking product, but for what you get, it's very tough. We've got an exquisite rookies number 241 of 299. So this is the exquisite card. Last year they had the exquisite card in its own pack, but this year it seems to be on the bottom with just one pack in the box. So exquisite rookies 241 of 299, Liam Foodie. Again, Upper Deck always with a great looking exquisite card. Down to the bottom again, we have a Black Diamond Rookie Gems, number 128 of 399, Pierre-Olivier Joseph. Nice looking card. Down to the bottom again, we have a Black Diamond Diamond Mind Relics Jonathan Huberdeau. Just a one color jersey piece in that. Still a nice looking card design though. I have to say, if Black Diamond was hard signed and game used or event used patches instead of manufactured patches like these, Black Diamond might be the best product because it is always great looking. But Black Diamond Team Logo Jumbos, Jaden Schwartz, but as I mentioned, manufactured patch in a box that is now anywhere between $350 and $450. Yeah, that should be game used for that price. But we do have a diamond card here, our final hit of the box. 88 for Toronto. Is that Nylander? No. What number did Nylander change to? Number 1 of 99. Who's the Leafs rookie? Nick Robertson. Double diamond Nick Robertson, number 1 of 99. So, not the greatest of names, but decent. Number 1 of 99. First print. So, well, at least we hit a diamond card. But for the price that they are already charging for this on release day, to not get an auto is quite a rip-off in my opinion. I doubt I'll be getting another box, but let me know what you guys think of 2021 Black Diamond. Keller, Foodie, Joseph, Huberdeau, Schwartz, and as I said, at least we got a diamond and a double diamond. Not just a single diamond. So that was nice. Number 1 of 99. Nick Robertson diamond. Well, folks, that's going to do it for box break number 281. Folks, if you did enjoy this box of 2021 Upper Deck Black Diamond, feel free to leave a like, comment below, and if you haven't yet hit the subscribe button, make sure you do so. We got plenty more box breaks, 6-pack Saturdays, Matthews or McDavid, and Sunday uploads to come.